Hello everyone! What kind of game do you think you can create in 15 minutes? Maybe this or that? In this video we will create a simple 2D game for this short period of time. Stop pulling, let's go make games. I spent 2 minutes drawing the ground, the characters, the animations for it and the rocket. The essence of the game will be as simple and primitive as possible. Rockets will fall on us from the sky, and our character must dodge them. Too easy! So we have only 30 minutes left. We transfer all our sprites to the game and place them in the right place. I attach box collider 2D to our ground and add physics so that it reads the contact of our missiles with in the future. We do the same with the charecter, but we also add a script in which we write a small code responsible for the movement of the charecter. We spend only 1 minute in the game engine, and this guy already knows how to walk. Not bad, right? Now we quickly add animation to it. Go into the script and write that our hero is standing still, nothing happens, and when moving the animation is played. Cool! We all use our legs to go somewhere, and our character has nowhere to go and even from no one. Therefore, we will add a rocket spawner that will make our character a little nervous. We add an empty object and create a code for it, in which we put the coordinates in the area where missiles can spawn and set the interval between the appearance of missiles. Let's launch! Great! Our missiles appear but don't fall. To do this we simply create another script, but only for the rocket, and prescribe the movement along the y-axis in it. Immediately we will make it so that when rocket touches the ground, the missile is removed, and when it touches the character, the level is also restarted. Let's create a text and drag it to the left corner. Our account will be displayed here. I drag the font I downloaded from the internet onto it. Now I create a script, but I add it not to the text, but to the ground. We do this so that the ground reads the moment when the rocket touches it, and when it collides, it will add 1 point to the score. This is how it looks now. Let's deal with the defeat screen. First we need to add here a text that will inform us that we have lost, and a button that allows us to restart our game if the user has not deleted it yet. Now let's go into the script of the charecter, where we will make it so that when a collision with a rocket, this screen appears and the missiles stop falling. At this stage the game is basically ready, but it looks too empty. I suggest adding some effects. First of all, I created rain, which will betray the atmosphere of our very tragic game. Next, I made an explosion effect that is played when a rocket collides with the ground and added a couple of sound effects. And that's what we got in the end. If you won't start to creating games and still think that it's difficult, put these thoughts aside. In this video we proved that you can create a game even in 15 minutes. Mike was with you. Good luck to everyone. See you in next video.